How do I turn on Do Not Disturb mode on my phone?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to turn on the Do Not Disturb mode on your phone. This feature is incredibly useful when you need some uninterrupted time or want to avoid distractions. So, let's get started and learn how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on your phone.
Android devices.
If you're using an Android device, here's how you can turn on Do Not Disturb mode. 1. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the notification shade. 2. Look for the Do Not Disturb icon. It usually looks like a bell with a line through it. 3. Tap on the Do Not Disturb icon to activate it. 4. You can also long press the Do Not Disturb icon to access more options and settings related to this mode. 5. Once enabled, you can customize additional settings like allowing calls from specific contacts, alarms, or notifications from certain apps. Explore these options to make Do Not Disturb mode work just the way you want.
iOS devices.
For iOS users, here's how you can enable Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone. 1. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the Control Center. 2. In the Control Center, you'll find the Do Not Disturb icon. It looks like a crescent moon. 3. Tap on the Do Not Disturb icon to activate it. 4. Alternatively, you can go to your Settings app, scroll down, and tap on Do Not Disturb to access more options and customizations. 5. Within the Do Not Disturb settings, you can schedule specific times for this mode to turn on automatically, set Allow Calls from Preferences, and enable Emergency Bypass for important contacts.
Other devices.
If you're using a different type of phone or operating system, the process may vary. However, most smartphones have a similar feature called Do Not Disturb or something similar. To enable it, try the following steps. 1. Swipe down or swipe up from the top or bottom of your screen to access your device's notification center or control center. 2. Look for an icon that represents Do Not Disturb or a similar feature. 3. Tap on the icon to activate Do Not Disturb mode. 4. If you can't find the icon or are unsure about the exact steps, consult your device's user manual or search online for instructions specific to your phone model and operating system. That's it. Now you know how to turn on the Do Not Disturb mode on your phone. Whether you're using an Android device, an iPhone, or any other type of smartphone, you can easily activate this mode to minimize distractions and enjoy uninterrupted time. Remember, Do Not Disturb mode is a great tool to have at your disposal whenever you need some peace and quiet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.